Guys, in today's video, we'll be talking about how to make money here online in Nigeria. And we'll be using a method known as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's product. The affiliate simply searches for a particular product they enjoy, then they promote the product and they earn a piece of the profit from each of the sales they make. As each time a customer buys from your own affiliate link, you get paid. And in Nigeria, we have several affiliate platforms that charge money, and also we have free ones. Then some of the free ones that you can actually get involved in include StakeCourt. And StakeCourt is a free affiliate platform that you can register without having to pay in any amount of money. We also have Seller. Seller is also another affiliate platform that you can sign up and start either uploading your own affiliate product or you start selling people's product to get paid. And another one we have is sales.co. Sales is also another platform that accepts affiliates that will come in and start selling other people's product. And the last one, but not the least on this here is a Jumia KOL program. Is an affiliate platform where you can promote physical products that people can actually buy and you make a commission. But in today's video, we are going to concentrate more on StakeCourt affiliate platform, where you're going to sign for free and also start promoting any particular product choice on the platform. If you are new to this platform, what you are going to do is to sign up. And once you sign up, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process through which you can promote any of the product without having to spend a dime. However, you can also spend some money if you want to have a paid ads. So we're going to be discussing different strategies through which you can use to make money online in Nigeria using this affiliate program. Now, if you're new on this platform, that's StakeCourt, you click on sign up. And when it opens, you fill your name, you fill your email address, and you choose your password. Once you finish that, you click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, it will take you to another platform. But since I already have an account here, what I'm going to do now is to click on sign in. And I'll sign in into the platform and see how the platform looks like. Now the platform is open. You can go over to marketplace. In this marketplace, you are going to see different affiliate programs. Please, one thing about this StakeCourt is that they only promote digital products, unlike the Jumia KOL. Like I said before, Jumia KOL concentrates on physical products mainly. That is, if you have things like household materials, you go to Jumia KOL and promote their product and also get paid. But on this StakeCourt, we are going to be concentrating on digital products. We have different kinds of digital products that you can promote on this StakeCourt. We have affiliate marketing accelerator program. We have stellar publishing guide. We have ultimate affiliate marketing program. Then what you have to do is to go down and look out for any particular affiliate product that you think you can actually like. Now, let's say, for instance, in today's tutorial, let's look at ghost writing income generator course. This is an affiliate program, affiliate product rather, that you can promote and begin to make money. And please, one thing about this affiliate program is, please, once you go into any of these platforms that I mentioned earlier on, make sure that you're going to select a good selling product. And let that particular product have at least 50% commission. Assuming you have, like in this case, that you have about $50. If you promote this product and you are able to make any sale, you're going to be getting 50% of the total amount. That is to say, you're going to be getting $25. Now, in this case, what you're going to do is to click on this promote. For instance, if you have chosen this ghostwriting, you click on it, then you see your affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link and keep it very, very well. Keep it, you can paste it on your Google Docs or on your notepad. Now, the next thing you are going to do is this. There are different ways you can promote this product. The first thing you need to do is to go to a website known as askthepublic.com. Then come and put this ghostwriting there. Search for what people are actually looking for in Nigeria about this particular product that you want to promote. Now, in this ghostwriting, I've just typed in here. And if you go down here, you see a lot of questions that Nigerians are asking. So what you need to do is to go through these questions. Like in this case, we have our ghostwriting credited, our ghostwriters legal. Then select some of these searches that people are making on Google concerning ghostwriting. Select those ones that can actually attract people to buy your product. Like you can select about 30 of these searches. Then you're going to have a kind of a 30-day challenge for yourself. The first thing you need to do is this. You go to ChatGPT and copy any of these things that you have actually gotten from answerthepublic.com. Let's say, for instance, now, if you want to promote this, where to find ghost writing jobs. Let's say, for instance, now, if you copy this one, you can come to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a very brief article on ghostwriting step by step. Then once ChatGPT writes all these things for you, the next thing you can do is this. If you want to promote this on your Facebook profile, first of all, go and create a Facebook page or a Facebook profile. Now, you know what? Once you create it newly, it's going to be an empty profile or page. Then there's a secret that you can use to get a lot of people that follow you organically without having to, like, I don't like this sub for sub, follow for follow. You go to different pages and be asking people to follow you. I don't like that kind of a thing on creating a new Facebook page or with Facebook profile. Like if you look at this particular Facebook page, I created this Facebook page like a month ago. Yeah, this particular, and it really has about 5,700 followers. What I did was this. I went to a particular website known as interest. I downloaded some videos that are of interest to me concerning those videos I downloaded are basically for making money online. Then every day I keep uploading these videos on a daily basis. I keep uploading these videos. People were watching the video on Reels and they were following me organically. So within 2 months now, I've actually had 5.7 followers and people are still coming up. If I see, I have about 5.7 followers and I have about 155 likes. What I'm going to do again is to go and open these likes, send them messages for them to begin to follow this page. You can also do your own as well. So what you do, then you start writing everything. Every day you copy a particular topic from this answerthepublic.com. Copy any particular topic here, go to ChatGPT, write anything about that particular topic we have copied, then go to your Facebook profile or page, then drop whatever you have written as in a kind of you want to post now. So what you have to do is you want to post, you come to this particular post here, then post whatever you want to post and go back to stakecore.com, copy your affiliate link and paste all of them in some places so that whenever somebody clicks on any of those things you have written, it will take the person back to your stakecore account and the person will definitely buy the course. You keep promoting on a daily basis. You keep writing on a daily basis and keep putting different links in different places. The other thing you can do again is to go to another website known as Medium. Then if you have written a particular thing, now let me just say, for instance, now let's quickly go over to public.com and get one particular topic we are going to write about. How does ghostwriting work? Now, we can go over to ChatGPT and say, write me an article, how to become a ghostwriter. Then ChatGPT is going to write it for you. And once ChatGPT finishes writing this thing for you, please make sure you go through it, read it, edit it, and start inserting links into different places in this your write-up. What ChatGPT has actually written for me, how to become a ghostwriter, a comprehensive guide. Then what you need to do now is to copy this comprehensive guide, copy everything, paste it somewhere, then go through everything one after the other. Then you now, as you are reading all of them, you begin to insert links. Now let's go, for instance, now this. And if you come to Medium, for instance, you place what you have written here already, you place it. Then once you place it, you go back to ChatGPT, copy the title of this thing, how to become a ghostwriter, a comprehensive guide, then put it as the title of top. Then make sure that as you're reading this thing, you'll be inserting links into different places. So that each time anybody clicks on this link, it's going to take the person back to your state court profile. And if the person goes through the pages here and the person buys, once the person buys, you're going to get your 50% of the whole amount of money. Then another place you can also promote this is on Quora. You also write articles on Quora. You go to Quora, find out topics find out questions that are asking on Quora, get all of them, come to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to write the answers to all those things for you, then go back to Quora. But what you need to know about Quora is that Quora is sometimes very strict. You don't need to be putting links anyhow. You can answer, like, if you have like 10 questions, for instance, now, answer 2 without any link. Then the third one, you put link. The fourth one, no link. The fifth one, link. Just like that. Keep on writing. And people will be going back to your state court account to, buy your product. And one other thing you need to do again is, if you use this your Facebook profile or page that you have created, you can also go and search for some topics that people are actually talking about on topics that are related to you. Let's say, for instance, now, if you come over to this place, search book, you can now go over to ghostwriting. You know whether there are some groups that are like ghostwriting groups. You go over to all these places, then you see ghostwriting international. You can join. Hire ghostwriter. You can join. I need a ghostwriter. You join all these things now. Go over to that place. Find out what the kind of topics they are talking about. If they ask a question and nobody's responding, even someone that people are responding to, you come back to ChatGPT, copy those questions, come back to ChatGPT, and start responding to those questions. And if you have actually watched to this particular point and you have not subscribed, please try as much as possible to go and subscribe to my channel. Go and subscribe to my channel right now. And if you have any question, go to the comment section and begin to ask your question. Please, if you're actually getting any value from this video, please give it a great thumbs up and make sure you share this video among your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.